Are you tired of these problems? Weird engine noises? Brakes squealing like a tea kettle? Check engine light haunting you? Tires wearing uneven? Just not feeling that smooth ride anymore? Your vehicle deserves the Autobahn motors. We don't just fix problems, we restore confidence. Whether it's routine maintenance or a full system overhaul, our Calgary shop treats your ride like the priority it is. Oil and filter changes, brake repair and inspection, engine diagnostics and tune-ups, tire services and wheel alignments, performance upgrades, smooth, strong, reliable. Don't wait for someday. Bring it in. We'll get you back on the road, smoother, safer, and stress-free.